everyone. Today I am going to discuss types of functional dependency. The topic functional dependency I already have discussed in my previous lecture. So if you don't know about functional dependency, first check that video, then come to this video, right? So here we are going to discuss about types. So there are two types of functional dependency. First is trivial and second type is non-trivial. So these two types of functional dependencies are available. So let's check about trivial functional dependency first. So the trivial functional dependency. Actually, when a functional dependency is given, so simply we have to first identify that it is trivial or non-trivial. So for trivial as well as non-trivial, there are two conditions which we have to follow, and then we can decide that it is trivial or non-trivial functional dependency. So what are those conditions? Uh, Here the definition is given, that is a generalized definition, means here they have taken any attribute, means whatever the attributes are, we are considering it A and B, means left hand side attribute or the set of attributes, or right hand side attributes or set of attributes, means there can be set of attributes also. So the set of attributes also means considering as A, right? So the definition is saying A to B has trivial functional dependency if B is a subset of A. Okay, that's sufficient. One more condition is there. We have to find out the left hand side attributes and right hand side attributes. Right, so with the help of an example, I am going to explain you this. Let's take an example. If we have a functional dependency like SID, CID, here we have taken two attributes. So it is known as A, means A can be a single attribute or it can be have many attributes also, a set of attributes also. Then also we will call it A, right? So SID, CID can identify SID. This is given, right? Now we have to check that this given functional dependency is trivial or not. So there are two conditions which we have to follow or check. First condition is B attribute, means the right hand side attribute. B must be subset of A, right? And second condition is LHS intersection RHS must not equals to phi. These are the two conditions which we have to check. So let's check. See, SID. SID is a subset of SID CID or not? Yes, it is. It is a subset of CID and SID. Why? Because this is present, right? SID is present on left hand side. That is why we can say that yes, SID is the subset of SID CID, right? So first condition is okay, it is fulfilled. Now second condition, let's check left hand side. Left hand side we have two attributes, SID and CID, and on right hand side we have only SID. So how many attributes we have? Means the common attribute, we have one attribute SID, which is common on both sides, right? So okay, LHS and intersection of RHS is not equals to phi, means there is one attribute. So both the conditions are fulfilling, okay, satisfying. So if this functional dependency satisfying these two conditions, then we can say that the given functional dependency is what? Trivial. Okay, so this is trivial functional dependency. One more example is given here. If we talk about this example, see, A to A. Now you can check for this also. See, sometimes it sounds very illogical, means how we can say that A to A is a functional dependency. No. If we know our roll number, then we can also identify our roll number, because we are knowing that roll number. So by this you can uh, correlate, right? So with the help of A we can identify A. Now check the first condition, whether right hand side attribute is the subset of left hand side or not. Yes. Now the second condition, see the attributes present on left hand side A, and on right hand side again A. Is there any attribute, is there any common attribute? Yes, A is the common attribute. Okay, again both the conditions are fulfilling. So this functional dependency is trivial one. And the second example is also the same example. This is also a trivial functional dependency. So this is about trivial functional dependency. Let's check non-trivial functional dependency. Okay, again we have to check for two conditions to decide whether the given functional dependency is trivial or non-trivial, means non-trivial. Now we are checking for non-trivial. So here the definition is given: A to B has a non-trivial functional dependency if B is not a subset of A. Right, here we have to focus on not. And one more condition is there: when A intersection B is null, right, then A to B is called as complete non-trivial functional dependency. So again two conditions are there. First is there must be no subset, means in case of A to B, B must not be a subset, not be subset of A. And what is second condition? That the LHS intersection RHS is equal to 5. If these two conditions are okay or correct according to the given functional dependency, then that dependency is non-trivial, right? Let's take an example. If we are taking SID to name, right, this is the functional dependency. Now check for the first condition, whether name is a subset of SID or not, means left hand side, sorry, right hand side attribute is the subset of right hand side or not. No, it is not a subset of left hand side. Okay, name is not the subset of SID. So first condition is fulfilled, right? And what is the second condition? Now check what is the attribute in left hand side, that is SID, and the attribute in right hand side, name. So is there any common attribute? No, there is no common attribute, and that is our condition. So it is all it is also fulfilling. So all two conditions are fulfilling according to this given functional dependency. So we can say that the given functional dependency is non-trivial functional dependency, right? So this is all about non-trivial and trivial functional dependency. In our next lecture, we'll see the properties of functional dependencies. There are some properties related to functional dependency. So we'll cover in our next lecture. That's all. Thank you.